Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain about Krushkal'S algorithm, and I am Shareef, studying second BTech IT in City Institute of Technology and Engineering. And now we have to calculate the MST with Krushkal'S algorithm and also find its cost. In this we are going to find minimal spanning tree using Krushkal'S algorithm. In Krushkal'S algorithm we have to remove all the loops and parallel edges. In Krushkal'S algorithm, we have to remove all the edges, all the parallel edges and all the loops. Then the graph will be shown like this. At first, what is parallel edges? Parallel edges in the sense, from vertices A to B, we have two edges, 6 and 9. This is called parallel edges. We have to remove these parallel edges. Like 9 and 6, we have 9 is the maximum weight. So we have to remove the maximum weight and we have to remove the loops. Loops in the sense, same vertices contains same edge. This is called loop. So we have to remove these loops and the parallel edges. After reviewing the both loops and parallel edges, the graph will be shown like this. And now in Krushkal'S algorithm, we will arrange all the edges in increasing order of the edge weight. Now increasing order in the sense, small to big, and we have the small edge weight is here 2, and the 2 contain the vertices B to D and D to E. We have to write in this is increasing order. Now B to D is equal to 2 and DE is equal to 2. There B to D and DE is equal to 2. And now next A to C. A to C is 3 and C to D is 3. After that we have BC is equal to 4 and BE is equal to 5. A to B is 6 and A to F is 7, F to C is 8. We have to arrange the edges in increasing order of the edge weight like this. And next, in Krushkal'S algorithm, it should not contain any cycles. Cycle in the sense, it should not contain any closing form. For example, we can see AFC. We can consider AFC. This is called a cycle. It is closed. So, in Krushkal'S algorithm, it should not contain any cycle. And in Krushkal'S algorithm, n number of vertices and n minus 1 edges. In Krushkal'S algorithm, n number of vertices and number of edges we will get. So, at first, B to D, we have to draw B to D is equal to 2 and D to E is 2. Now, we can see A to C, we can draw A to C. How we can draw this graph? According to take the reference of this graph and we have to draw this. Next, C to D. C to D is 3. We can draw C to D. And now B to C. If we draw B to C, it can form a close. B to C, if we draw B to C, it can form a cycle. So we have to neglect B to C for not forming the cycle. We have to neglect BC. And now BE. If we draw BE, it can form cycle. So we have to neglect BE. And now AB. If we draw AB, it can also form a cycle. So we have to neglect AB. We have to draw AF. Yes, we can draw AF because it should not contain any cycles. And so we have to draw AF 7. And FC is equal to 8. If we draw FC, it can form a cycle. So we have to neglect FC. And this is the minimal spanning tree using Krushkal'S algorithm. And we can see that n number of vertices. Like we can see the previous graph, how many vertices we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 vertices. And after a minimal spanning tree, we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N number of vertices we have. And n minus 1 edges. How many vertices we have? 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 edges we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can have n number of vertices and n minus 1 edges. And cost, we have to find the cost in Kruskal algorithm through MST. So we can have excavator 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. This is the cost, and the total cost is 17. And we can find MST and Kruskal algorithm and cost through the Kruskal algorithm. So this is the about Kruskal algorithm using MST and cost to find MST and cost. Thank you.